You never know where inspiration will strike. There's a story behind that. This is your daily message from Chad number 679 to upgrade your mental game today by telling yourself a better story, because the most important story you hear is the story you tell yourself. This message is dedicated to Craig Robbins. Part of the attraction to the Macintosh by Apple computers in the early 80s was the typography. Steve Jobs cared about the aesthetic. He thought the graphics should be beautiful. Many know this inspiration came from a calligraphy class he audited in college. In his Stanford commencement speech Jobs gave in 2005, he mentions the overweighted influence this class had on the design of Apple computers. What many don't know is the story of the professor who taught that calligraphy class, Father Robert Calladino. Calladino was a Trappist monk who rejected technology. He never used a computer, let alone owned one. His communication was always handwritten letters. The contrast of interest between Jobs and Calladino didn't hinder inspiration, though. Jobs admired Calladino's mastery of the art. He was still able to learn from him and then apply it to his craft. You can see the world in very different ways from other people and still draw inspiration from them. Who's someone very different from you, which you can apply their expertise to your sphere of work? Email me your story to fromchadsmith@gmail.com. You can find these messages on YouTube, Apple Podcasts, and Spotify. You can download my book, The Most Powerful Story in the World, by going to fromchad.gumroad.com. The transcript of this message and hundreds of others are always available at fromchad.com.